Let's take a look at the embedded AI tools you can use now to help you design faster. Embedded AI isn't entirely new. These kinds of time-saving tools have been there for a long time. Take the Selection Accelerator toolbar, for example, which helps make suggestions to accelerate those tedious picks and clicks like filleting or chamfering various edges. Or even the pattern-driven component feature, which is a way for you to speed up adding components to an assembly by automatically recognizing those patterned features. Now, some of the new stuff is incredible, like auto-generate drawings. In just a few quick mouse clicks, you can automatically have 2D drawings created from the 3D model. Like in this example, we automatically had the 2D drawings created for these three components. Here's also the Command Predictor, which is an additional ribbon on the Command Manager, which surfaces relevant commands you might want to use, making it easier for you to design faster. There's also tools to help you quickly resolve issues, like Repair Sketch, which can help you automatically repair any broken references or dangling dimensions. This functionality also can work in assemblies, with the ability to automatically repair missing mate references. And those are just 6 examples of the powerful embedded AI in SOLIDWORKS that you can use now to help you design faster. But stay tuned, there's more coming soon.